morning, YouTubers. So today's another day for Ben Had, and today Ben Had pens. Watch I'm about to fill my whole bed up. I'll fill this whole bed up with pens. Nothing but pens. Here I go. Ben had pens. Nobody Ben had more pens than me. Ready? Bam. Bam. Next to it. Bam. Boom. 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 Oh, it fell off. Boom. 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 Bam. Nobody Ben had more pens than me. Ben had pens. Ben had pens. Got more pen than the office. Not even done yet. Wait a second. Not even done yet. Ben had pens, boy. Ben had pens. Yeah. I'm coming, hold on. Ben had pens. Ben had pens, boy. That's the last pen. All these pens, look at all those pens. And I missed two. Ben had pens. Ben had pens, yo. Okay. So I got for today. Yep. Ben had pens. Nobody got more pens than me. Whoever got more pens than me, I want to enter to this Ben had. Alright.